Lesson 7. Tall, tall. He is very tall. Averager, averager. He is averager. Normal height. Short, short. She is quite short. Slim, thin. She is tall and thin with muscular, muscular. My boyfriend is muscular. Overweight, overweight. He has a beer belly. He is very overweight. Fair skin, fair skin. Ngọc is white. She has a fair skin. Dark skin. The Af- African has dark skin. Handsome. He is very handsome. Manly, manly. Beautiful, beautiful. Gritty, gritty, gritty. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. Ugly, ugly.